go see what these UFO looking things are.
This right here is the BPK.
This boilerplate was requested in 1966 by NASA engineer John Kimsey for use as a chamber for fire extinguisher tests. The boilerplate was modified so it could be filled with pure oxygen at various pressures. Immediately following the Apollo 1 fire in 1967, BPK was modified again for small-scale flammability tests. This helped certify all new materials before Apollo space flights could resume. After Apollo program tests concluded, BPK was used for Space Shuttle Thermal Protection System test through 1983. The boilerplate serial number has been forgotten, so it continues to be known as BPK, the unofficial designation given to it by Kimsey. When its use and testing programs ended, BPK was refurbished for public display. Some of the pipes and flanges were left in place to preserve its history as a test chamber. Boilerplates were used during practice splashdown recovery exercises in the mid-1960s. Engineers used BPK to design and test foam fire extinguishers for Apollo spacecraft. In the early and mid-1970s, BPKs were used for testing space shuttle thermal tiles. Engineers prepared to test the flammability of Apollo wire bundles using BPK in 1967. As part of the Apollo program, NASA built prototype command modules called BoilerPlates to test equipment and procedures. BoilerPlates used to avoid the risk of damaging the more expensive actual spacecraft during drop tests, flotation tests, parachute tests, flammability tests, and more. The boilerplate, now known as BPK, is one of a series built in Texas and designated as the 1200 series. These boilerplates did not have internal equipment, since they simulated the weight and external characteristics for water tank and ocean tests. Engineers tested flotation collars, buoyancy, and retrieval procedures performed by the U.S. Navy.
Like look in spaceship, take off like NASA.